Meet the GT50 PRO Drone, a compact powerhouse designed for smooth, stable, and cinematic aerial photography. With its 4K HD self-stabilized electronic anti-shake lens, the GT50 PRO captures every detail in crystal clarity. The 90-degree adjustable camera gives you full control of your angles, whether you're shooting epic landscapes or close-up aerial shots. Equipped with an advanced optical flow positioning system and pressure sensor for height hold, this drone keeps your footage rock solid even in breezy conditions. Powered by 1503 brushless motors, the GT50 PRO delivers strong thrust, quiet operation, and long-lasting performance. No more worrying about burnt-out motors or jittery flights. With its 1300 mAh intelligent lithium battery, you'll enjoy up to 20 minutes of flight time on a single charge. And with the built-in LCD power display, you'll always know when it's time to recharge. The 4.3-inch screen remote controller keeps you connected with real-time FPV transmission. Fly up to 100 meters, capture smooth 4K footage, and see it all live right in your hands. Using the mobile app, you can customize your own flight path, draw a route, tap to take off, and watch as the GT50 PRO flies it automatically. It even features gesture control for effortless selfies and video recording. With headless mode, trajectory flight, optical flow stability, and anti-interference 2.4 GHz technology, every flight feels intuitive and smooth, perfect for beginners and pros alike. At just 183 grams, it's lightweight and registration-free in most countries, giving you the freedom to fly almost anywhere without the paperwork. The GT50 PRO comes with everything you need: spare propellers, SD card, reader, screwdriver, charging cable, and a powerful controller, ready to fly right out of the box. The GT50 PRO Drone, portable, powerful, and packed with features that make every flight a new adventure. Whether you're capturing memories or mastering your aerial skills, this drone takes your creativity to new heights. Subscribe to Caring Guy for more hands-on tech reviews, drone tests, and smart gear that makes life exciting.